Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Does the outdoor appeals to you? Do you like the sound of the ocean washing to the shore as you sleep? Do you like having space for friends, families to gather and be together? Do you like watching children play in a tree house? Do you like the idea of a beach being literally a stone throw from your home? Then this home is beckoning to you to come. Enjoy the immense land space of 8 acres or approximately 351,282 square feet. A water well, concrete storage tank, and a generator on property. A variety of fruit trees. Watch the ocean from most spaces in this house. Conveniently located in Fort Charles, which is 10 minutes from Treasure Beach and 5 minutes from Billy's Bay. The property is perfect for even a small boutique hotel and will fit in perfectly with all the other locations on the stretch. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, wheelchair access, security system, garden area, workshop detached, satellite dish, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, standby generator, jacuzzi, view of the mountain, easy access to amenities, family oriented, hillside, private setting, view of the ocean, rural setting, recreation nearby, quiet area, acreage, road paved, and pets are allowed in this community. The asking price for this house is US 575,000 or Jamaican $88.4 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.